Translations. A transformation is an operation that changes a figure or graph according to a rule. The pre-image is an original figure that is transformed to form an image, and the image is the figure resulting from a transformation. So a pre-image is always named with just letters of the alphabet, such as triangle ABC. And then the image is named with prime symbols. So it will go from being triangle ABC to triangle A prime, B prime, and C prime. A translation is an operation that slides a figure in the plane. A horizontal translation is a slide of a graph or figure in the right or left direction. For a horizontal translation, the x-coordinate changes, the y-coordinate stays the same. So for a slide right, this is what the function would look like. It is x plus a. And for a slide left, it is x minus a. So you're subtracting something from the x value. For a vertical translation, that's a slide of a graph up or down. And for this one, the y-coordinate changes and the x-coordinate stays the same. So for a slide up, you're adding to the y value, and for a slide down, you're subtracting from the y value. And lastly, we have a slant translation, and this is a slide of a graph or figure diagonally. So for this one, both the x and y coordinates change. So you'll see that you're adding or subtracting something from the x value and adding or subtracting something from the y value. Example 1. Translate trapezoid WXYZ 4 units to the left and 2 units up to form trapezoid W prime, X prime, Y prime, Z prime. Identify the coordinates of the vertices of the translated image. So we are told that we want to go 4 units left and 2 units up. So I'm going to take each point and follow those instructions. So let's start with W, going 4 units left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 units up, 1, 2. So rather than naming it W, it will be named W prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. X prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Z prime. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Y prime. So just go ahead and connect those together. And you will see that you have moved this figure from here to here. You have slid the figure. So now we have to identify the coordinates of the translated image. So W prime, X prime, Y prime, Z prime. The ordered pairs for W prime is -3, 3. X prime is 0, 3. Y prime is 0, 1. And Z prime is -2, 1. Example 2. Translate triangle PQR according to the following rule. So we have to take a look at this rule and be able to identify what this means. So if we're adding 6 to an X value, that means that we're going to be going right 6. And if we're subtracting 1 from a Y value, that means we're going down 1. So we're going to take each point on this figure and we're going to move it to the right 6 and down 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down 1. So that is P prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down 1. That is R prime, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down 1. That is Q prime. Connect those as best you can. And we have translated that triangle successfully. Excuse me. All right, and lastly, example 3. We want to use a function to describe how parallelogram ABCD could be translated so it easily covers parallelogram WXYZ exactly. So this is our pre-image and this is our image. So I'm just going to look at one point. I can see that A corresponds with W. So I'm going to see, how do I get from A to W? I come from A and I travel in this direction. So how far up did I go? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I went 4 up and then 1, 2, 3 right. So I need to write a function that represents that. So the beginning of my function is txy equals x. X deals with left or right. So I see I'm going 3 right, so that means plus 3. And then y deals with up and down. I see I'm going 4 up, so that's plus 4. And here's your function to represent that.